Oh, how old? Say hi to Brian.
Hi Brian, are you 50 today?
You can play all.
He's not answering you.
Aren't you answering me, Brian?
What a jerk.
What are we doing?
We're having a party for you, Brian.
Happy birthday!
This is his chair, but he's not.
Wait, here's your birthday seat. And you aren't sitting in it, the hot seat.
Just imagining him in there.
We're imagining you in the hot seat, though. Look at that. That's funny. I'm cracking myself up. Here's Carol's new dog, Oliver.
Oliver!
Oliver Bolivar's butt.
Yeah, he's a puppy. Natalie. Michael is over there trying to pretend to be a nice uncle.
He's pretending it's all a joke.
There. Michael, say hi to Brian. He's putting the kids to work to take something out of the
He's trying to
I don't know why you're asking Gabe to do it. Oh, okay.
There's Jason's Cadillac.
That's a nice car. I bet you it rides really nice.
See how much fun we're having without you?
Yeah, bring it over here.
I'll update you on your birthday hot seat pretty soon. Bye, love you.